Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're covering how to use templates in Microsoft OneNote. Now, before we get started with that, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so here we are inside of OneNote. So OneNote will have some already available templates for us to use that can help speed up our workflow. One question you may have is, why would you use a template inside of OneNote? Well, it allows you to take notes without really thinking about the organization or structure of your notes. And generally speaking, if you are more organized and more structured, you'll be more efficient. So let's go ahead and pull one up. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and make a new notebook. We're gonna call this local. All right, we'll create it on this PC. And underneath insert, towards the middle over here, we have this thing called page templates. So we'll go ahead and click on that. All right, and here we go. So we've got different categories, and then we can kind of pick, and then we have different templates we can actually choose from in there. So I could click this, or I could click that. Now, if you want to preview and see what it looks like, I'm just clicking on various different ones until I find one that I like. Don't really care for any of these academic ones, so go ahead and delete those. Now, I do take a lot of meeting notes so maybe for me, I could utilize the meeting notes templates. Now, I actually really like that informal template, so I'm going to roll with that one. Okay, so basically I have the structure to go ahead and take notes in an effective and organized way. I'll kind of fill this out a little bit as a demo for you guys. Maybe Indigo meeting notes. Our agenda is to talk about new video ideas for Q2 2024. Maybe I want to add something else to the agenda. Current analytics review. And then maybe I'll top it off with goals for 2024. All right, action items. We're going to put new office build out. And we can see in the template, this kind of made it like a to-do list. All right, next up, I'll do reply to existing viewer comments, and then maybe edit new videos in DaVinci Resolve. Y'all certainly don't have to understand all of this. Again, I'm just trying to create sort of actionable video for you guys that you can kind of work off of and start using these templates for yourself and so on. I could go ahead and fill this all the way out, but I think I'm okay with that for now. So again, we just wanted to show you guys how to access the template feature, how you might actually go about using it in a realistic way, and how it can help boost that productivity and boost your effective note-taking habits. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. If you have any questions about any parts of that process, drop those in the comment section below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you have yet to purchase Microsoft Office, or if you're interested in other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. Lastly, we strongly encourage any video topic ideas that you guys might have. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.